Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a YouTube channel. So now here you can see I have created a new Gmail, and after that now I want to create a YouTube channel. So first of all I can type here YouTube, then here you can see this is official website youtube.com. so you can go here, and after that on the right side our Gmail is showing, so S icon, simply click here, and after that click here YouTube Studio, and now here you can see there is no channel on this Gmail. So simply we can give a channel name, and I want to add this one. Here you can see SRTV1 channel. Then again you can add a handle for your channel. So now here you can see it is automatically added. So this is important for the SEO perspectives. And also you can add here profile image. So I want to add one image, and let me go in my clients folder. And here I have an image. So before adding image, let me add it in correct dimension. Okay, after that click here open. So now here you can see we can adjust the image. Alright, then done. After that scroll down, then create channel. So guys, here you can see channel is created. You can see how it is easy to create a channel within 2 minutes. Then again let me go back, and after that I want to create one more channel. Yes, this one. Here you can see settings, then create new channel. So again I can add here another name, SRTV2 channel. Then here you can see handle name is automatically updated. Then click here create channel. So now here you can see there are two channels on a single email. In this way you can create more and more channels, and after that you can create unique and quality content for your YouTube channel, so that your channel will get monetized and you can earn a lot of money by sitting in home. Thank you for watching video.